Okay, it's starting to warm up a little bit on the temp, and we'll take off. First 4 gears, no problem. The synchros are all nice and smooth. Fifth gear is not synchronized. You have to double clutch in order to get into fifth, and I'm going to need to get up to about 50 miles an hour before that's going to happen. Okay, so right here I'll double clutch into fifth.